Alright, what I'm showing you is a bunch of locks that have been cut up, and what I'm going to do is put these locks back together for someone. This is a lock restoration service, and I'm going to show you how I put one lock together. This is his hair, and I'm going to use this to make sure I can secure each attachment. Because we got to make sure that they stay nice and strong like bull. And reinforce it. Give it a good rub. So now we have one whole lock. Now we work out the bottom because you have curly ends. And, we're putting it back together like it's a puzzle. So it looks like it's going this way. See, so I like to follow the lock in the direction it's going. Oh, you can't see where I joined it at. That's how good it is. Like I can't even see other than the frizziness where I joined it at. Now you're going to work this hair through the lock. And remember, you want to work this hair all through the lock. So make sure this lock never, ever, 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 ever separate again. Because you don't want your end piece flying off. So the same as you do for the top, it's the same way you're going to do for the bottom. Again, I'm going to work the hair through. There we have it. So now we're going to put this little buddy, like I didn't just do that, with the rest of them. So as you can see, we got the ends, the sections, and this is how they look. Complete full locks. This is how the tops look. Ta-da. Oh no, you can do something with that. This is a natural thing, but it's going to turn to a weak spot over time. So, pull that in. We pulled them in. I'm going to keep doing that. So with them being pulled in, I'm going to take your tool. You're going to go in and you're going to scrape it, mold it. You're not going to see the loop more. So you're molding it with like the edge of the tool. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. We'll get back to that. Now we're going to tug on each lock and make sure that they're strong like bull. You hear that sound? That's how you know you got it. Then when they have this one can pop. There we go. They all strong like bull. Awesome.